Good morning, Kuya Dom ulit, mga ka-hoteliers. Ito, mayroon kaming events ngayon na pupuntahan naman na Dibu, 18th birthday, right?
18th birthday.
So with me is Kabi. Okay, I'm speaking in Tagalog, so a lot of my friends could understand it. Right? And behind me is Princess Leia.
Princess Leia.
Hi!
And Sheikh Kabi.
Hello.
Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm going to change the name like on Friday. Please like and hit the notification bell.
Okay.
So we're gonna start from here and Canning Town post office, and we're gonna go all the way to Chisik Town Hall. Is that right? Chisik Town Hall. Okay. So I'll see you all there. Bye bye. So mga ka-hoteliers, Kuya Dom ulit. Pupunta na kami sa harapan ng ng Town Hall, Chisik Town Hall, para ma-unload namin yung mga gamit sa event. Kasi sa likuran na yun, mga pagkain lang pala yun kasi nandun yung kusina. So sa harapan, malaki ang pituan kasi kami. Ayan o, Chisik Cheese Market. Ganda yung lugar na to, yung mga simbahan nila. Kasi may park pa sa harapan. Tapos ito siya, Chisik Town Hall. So okay, yeah mate, we are here in Chisik Town Hall. It's very close to London actually. Do I sound British? No, I don't think so. Anyway, this is our owner, Paring David. Yeah, this is the one. O kaway-kaway muna, Paring David, sila yung may-ari. Shoutout muna sa lahat dyan. Yan ang the best na chef na napakasarap yung pagkain. Ang problema ko sa events, paraging reklamo sa pagkain. Bakit daw sobrang sarap? Yun ang reklamo nila. Kaya kahapon doon sa baptismal, ang dami lang inuwi Kasi imbis na 75, 60 lang yung bisita niya. Kaya ang dami niyang inuwi. Actually 115 pa pre, di ba? Pero tingnan natin kung pwede nang buksan.
May tao na sa loob eh.
Mayroon na sigurado yan. Tingnan natin. Diyan yung yung hall nito. Ito yung van na ginamit din ni Jubel kahapon. Hirapan siya maniubra, kaya ako na yung nag-park kahapon paatras. Yan, ikot ko muna kayo sa park nila. Ang ganda. Yun yung simbahan nila. Talagang tulis na tulis. Tusok ka dyan. Malamig kasi pa rin eh. Winter pa eh. Yan. So ito na yung van namin. So dito na kami maghakot ng mga gamit namin. Ayan. Come on! Sheikh Kabi! There you go. Ito si Maki. Yan. Tara na! Now I've been told that they're gonna be like 200 of them. The problem is we only have 16 tables. Yeah. I'm going to rearrange the table and we're gonna put 11 chairs each table. Okay, that's gonna be 176 altogether. The rest I'm gonna put some chairs by the hallway and next to the buffet, only the chairs. So some of the guests gonna sit down there. They're not gonna have any tables anymore, so it's alright. So if 176, it's only 24 of them gonna be there, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna rearrange the table now. Please, we can start with the chair cover. Okay, we'll start the chair cover. I'm gonna pick somebody to help me with the buffet. So only two guys gonna do that. Leia and me gonna do the buffet. So I'm gonna arrange the table first. Then we'll put 11 chairs. Then you start to do the chair cover. Then after tablecloth, then the runner. Okay, so please do it. If some of you want to use the toilet now, you can use it. And if we have hot water, you can have coffee or tea. It's very cold. And here's GJ and Dave. Kuya Dom, please don't forget to subscribe, like, notification bell. Thank you. Ayun si Leia. So bali ito na yung buffet namin. Bali dalawang buffet ang siset up namin dito. Tapos sinalaan naman. Sila yung nagpa-event. Sila yung mag-ayos ng mga pangalan. Mga seating arrangement. So So bali dito ako maglalagay ng grazing table namin. So baka dugtungan ko to kasi may coffee pa pala, no? So tingnan natin. Bali dito kami magsiset up nila. Yan. So buffet table. Dalawa eh. Yan. Yan si Maki.
Hello.
Shout out!
Hello.
Natin sa kabila to. Sweet and sour fish. Let me see. Yeah, sweet and sour fish. And this one is kare-kare. Yeah, kare-kare. The other one is beef broccoli and caldereta. And last one, chicken manok. Chicken manok. Okay. And this is our news. Okay, I'm gonna let you know which side. Maybe Mary John, Chris, John, and Kabi will go that side. Will go that side. So Zoo, Monkey, and Leia will stay this side. Okay? Make sure you will control. Because as I said, you know, sometimes their stomach is bigger than their eyes is bigger than their stomach. So I will talk to the lady actually. So that's it. So everybody eat already. And you all eat it. Okay. The student will check the hot water again. That's it. Come, let's check that water. Sila. Dami, biglaan.
Hey, it's the health station. But just what kind of vegetables are these?
For drinks kabayan, meron tayong water glass sa lamesa. Ito po, dito lang to. Yan. Tapos sana nadala nyo yung water glass nyo, yung glass nyo. Happy birthday to you. Yan, Kuya Dong. Yan. 18th birthday.
Catering, especially to
Kuya Doms, thank you.
Vietnam. JJ, it was very fabulous. The food was so good and the decor is very nice. Thank you. Thumbs up.